One of the things we like to do to help with our garden beds, especially these tomato beds here, we like to plant marigolds like these from seed alongside the tomatoes because they're actually companion plants. So these marigolds are going to get bigger, stronger. I mean, look at the stem on the marigolds. But we also like to use Farmer's Secret Fruit and Bloom Booster or some sort of potassium and phosphorus booster. This is going to help you get more tomatoes, bigger tomatoes, more vigorous production of different sites where tomatoes can form. And when you pair it up with organic composting and things like marigolds, it's not a bad idea to add in a simple, readily available nutrient as well. What's great about this is in the entire formulation, it's only 2% nitrogen based. It's a 2-15-15. A little bit goes a long way. It can make over 384 gallons.
Hey guys, Jacob here. If you're not subscribed yet, please consider doing so, especially if you got value from this video. It really helps me out. It is free to do so. So please hit that subscribe button below and have an amazing day.